If you're a foodie, then you need to know about Morocco's mouth-watering delights. Let's get started. First up, we got the iconic tagine, slow-cooked to perfection with meats, veggies, and those secret spices. Next, ever heard of couscous? It's Morocco's national dish, fluffy grains topped with tender meat and veggies. And don't miss out on pastilla. Think sweet and savory pie with layers of chicken or pigeon. Now, for the street food lovers, grab a mazman, a flaky, buttery flatbread that'll blow your mind. Last but not least, wash it all down with some Moroccan mint tea, refreshingly sweet and oh so addictive. So, what are you waiting for? Go on and treat yourself to a Moroccan feast. Catch you next time, foodies. Jun.